As the global job market is rapidly and constantly changing, reskilling or upskilling has become more crucial to success than ever before. Therefore, at times, both organizations and individuals need to use these levers strategically and effectively to bring about a successful transition in their performance. As the effectiveness and speed of learning increasingly drives competitive advantage, we at Pedaga integrate the experience and expertise of designers, content creators, practitioners, and technology to accelerate talent development and boost the company's advantage. By creating a personalized reskilling and upskilling strategy with measurable results for each client, we help organizations compete on the rate of learning, thus creating a competitive and sustainable learning advantage that enables organizations to attract and retain critical talent. Whether you want to transform your existing talent development capabilities into a driving force for building next-generation skills, or design a corporate institution with the right technology to support your staff, Pedaga can help organizations attract, improve, and grow key talent.